Yeah. This is called Sounds of My Voice. Freestyle, baby. Yeah. Since I was a little kid, waking up in the sheets, I'm thinking damn was my dad, he left and ran the streets. How am I supposed to live, and how am I supposed to breathe? And everywhere I go, man, I'm feeling all alone, and the world is so cold, and I don't know what to do, because I'm feeling all lonely, and I'm screaming to you, now how am I out, God? When I'm supposed to live, I'm supposed to breathe. I'm looking at this world, yeah, baby, it's just me, I'm the only man, I'm trying to do everything I can. I'm looking at the world, thinking dying fly, Mexican, I love my little brother, and my big Mike, Northtown, that long, and I like to take that flight to a far, far away place, so nobody can find me. It's just me, I'm Mr. NRB and Anthony, baby, that's the same thing. I love my people, it ain't the equal, it is evil, but the sins that I do, the world loves me too. And where I'm supposed to go, I'm trying to keep it true. And kinda feeling cold, I'm feeling I'm alone. Where I'm supposed to go, call my niggas on the phone. How me out die, how me be, how me go. I'm looking at the world, thinking damn booty hole, assholes and bitches and chicks, you get shot. Northtown outlaw, I miss my block. Rest in peace, Tupac and Biggie and Eazy-E. Your bitches talking shit or suck up on my D. MCA, rest in peace. And everybody fell to the victim of the streets. I'm thinking damn peace, but niggas talk war, and I don't know where to go, but they can't feed the pole. I'm feeling all alone, I'm feeling all cold. Can anybody help me? I'm saying fuck the world. Man, this little girl, man, she crying on the floor and she dying. Her mother, man, she's gone. Her father, I don't know. Crime's all she thinks. She run the streets. She should get a job, but it's kinda hard getting robbed, and I don't know what to do. Call the cops. Northtown outlaw, I gotta get my pop. And the Northtown outlaw, you might get shot. You might make it to the end. You might make some friends, and you might spend a lifetime bars, and I don't know where to go, but I'm trying to be a star. I'm stuck up in this ghetto, I'm stuck up in my mind. I want about my friends, and I want about my life. I want about the rain, I'm thinking, damn it, where to go, and I don't even know, but I'm feeling all cold. This is the voice of my sounds, and the sounds of my voice. I'm flipping the coin to make a choice, and I don't know where to go. Can please help me out? I'm looking in this game, thinking, damn, take me out. Please, Lord, though, help the people out. Help the poor, please Obama, help us a little more. I love you, dog, I love my peeps, I love everything about my life, and I don't know where to go, but fuck my wife. It's my people like my boy River, computed, now he's pretty legit, thinking what to do, fuck a bitch. Soy, how you doing? My boys, it's the leads. I'm thinking damn that I what to do, listen to my beats. My boy Miggy and Waco Joe, I know Miss Palmer is my cousin, I love you though. I'm thinking damn little brother, how you doing? And my sister Dina, Erica, whole family, can't you see? And the little Jordan, all the nephews and the nieces, thinking damn what to do. On my knees saying please Jesus, help my family out, help us all out. I'm thinking damn little what to do, I'm about to go all out. Thinking damn though, here we go again, once again. Sounds of my voice, I'm thinking damn oh boy, how am I supposed to know, and how am I supposed to live? I'm looking at the world when they're shooting at the crib. Please Lord, falling to my knees, please help me out. I can't take the disease. It's like every time I think about evil, I think about my people. Please help me out though. How am I supposed to live, and how am I supposed to breathe? And every time I sleep, the demons come for me, and it hurts in my heart. I can't breathe, I can't do nothing, man, but I can read. I see between the lines if you can understand me. Bitches come around, man, don't feed me, don't worry about me, and don't care about me. There's people in the streets that got nothing to eat, they're just me. There's the sounds of my voice, I'm thinking down to where to go. Can anybody help me out? And I slit your throat, I slit your wrist, it doesn't matter where you be. It's me, Mr. NRB, and then the same thing. Help the people in the streets, help them eat. Help the people fall to the game, listen to the beat. There's the sounds of my voice for the ghetto, let them know. I love everybody, but man, we gotta go. Out the grave when I say bye, I say hi to my people, and I don't know where to go, but there ain't no way more about my game, my life. I'm thinking damn it, where to go, I don't even know. I'm feeling all alone, I told you dog, the game is so simple. I'm looking at this game, thinking damn one day will I make it, will I be ashamed of my life when I go to the crossroads and have to talk to the Lord. I'm feeling like the crow, I'm dead and coming back from the grave. I couldn't be saved, it's too late, it's the right man, I'm trying to get paid, dude, before I go to the other side. If I go to the other side, wanna die, will I see Tupac, will I see that girl that's fly, will she say hi, will I go to hell? And if I go to hell, I'm in hell now, I get to my knees. I love you, Lord Jesus, but please help me out, Mr. NRV, Anthony, that's the same thing. I love the world, I like to say peace. sounds of my voice. And that's the sounds of my voice.